So one problem you see here, an amplifier has an open loop gain of 1000. So when they say open loop gain, or when they use only the word gain, or when they use the term gain without feedback, all represent the same. All these points you have noted down. So these terminologies, they can confuse you in the problem. Open loop gain, or just the word gain, or gain without feedback, all represents the same parameter, capital A. And the feedback ratio of 0.04, feedback ratio, feedback factor, feedback parameter, all these represent the parameter beta. Okay, so see, each variable is having multiple names, so you should not get confused, because if you wrongly take this to be 1000 to be AF, then the entire answer what you get is going to go wrong. If the open loop gain changes by 10% due to temperature, how much they are asking the gain with feedback is going to change. So change nale we told dA by A. Open loop gain is changing, so dA by A is changing by 10%. You can even have it as 10, or you can have it as 10%. You can write 10%, you can write, or 10% is going to be 0.1. Even you can have it as 0.1 also. That's also correct. Okay, so we know the formula dAf by AF equal to dA by A into 1 by 1 plus A beta. So we are going to find dA by A. So what is dAf by AF? So what is dA by A? dA by A is given as 10%. So 10% into 1 by 1 plus A beta. A is 1000, beta is 0.04. So 10 by 10 into 1 by 1 plus 1000 into 0.04. 1 by 1 plus, so how much you will get? 40. So 10 by 41. So approximately 0.25 percentage. One thing to note here, see here, without feedback, it is 10 percentage variation. After feedback, it is 0.25 percentage variation. So the variation in gain has become less, or I can say the gain has become more and more stabilized. So either if the variation in gain, I can say it is less, or I can say the gain is going to be stable, or it is going to be a constant value. So that is the thing you have to that is the significance of finding dAf by AF. It will clearly say how much the gain is varying after feedback. dA by A, how much the gain is varying before feedback or without feedback and